BabyTales.
Hey, cartoon enthusiasts! Welcome back to our artistic haven. Today, we're diving into the pineapple under the sea as we draw and color the one and only SpongeBob SquarePants. Let's start by sketching SpongeBob's iconic square body. Draw a large square in the center of your paper, capturing the essence of our cheerful sponge friend. Let's dress SpongeBob in his classic work attire. Draw a rectangular shape beneath his head for the shirt and add a small, diagonal tie at the center. Complete SpongeBob's look by drawing his square pants to rectangles on either side of his body. This adds the finishing touch to our absorbent and yellow friend. Now, let's bring SpongeBob to life by adding his wide, cheerful eyes in the upper part of the square. Don't forget to draw his small, circular nose right in the center. Time to add that trademark SpongeBob smile. Draw a wide, curved line beneath the nose, giving him that infectious expression of joy. And now for the fun part, coloring. SpongeBob is a burst of yellow joy. So grab your brightest yellows and bring him to life. Add brown for his square pants, red for the tie, and don't forget his blue eyes. And there you have it, a cheerful SpongeBob SquarePants ready to spread happiness in your artistic world. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself and having fun. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun art, tutorials and creative adventures. Until next time, keep your artistic sea adventures as lively as SpongeBob's.